Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to a delightful journey into making Royal Bibingka. This isn't just any ordinary rice cake. It's a wonderfully chewy, slightly sweet, and incredibly rich dessert that captures the heart of Filipino cuisine. It's perfect for sharing with family or simply enjoying as a comforting treat. Get ready to bake something truly special. To start, let's gather our simple yet powerful ingredients. You'll need glutinous rice flour, a key component for that signature chewiness, along with both coconut milk and evaporated milk for creaminess. Don't forget sugar for sweetness, butter for richness, and a couple of eggs to bind it all together. And for that classic finish, we'll top it with grated cheese and a hint of salted egg. Now let's mix up our delicious batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your glutinous rice flour and sugar. Then, slowly pour in the coconut milk, evaporated milk, melted butter, and beaten eggs. Whisk continuously until the mixture is completely smooth, with no lumps remaining. This careful blending ensures a perfectly consistent and delightful Royal Bibingka. It's time to bake your Royal Bibingka to perfection. Pour the smooth batter into a greased baking dish, spreading it out evenly. Place it in your preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 45 to 55 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown. A simple toothpick test will confirm it's perfectly cooked through. After baking, the most important step is patience. Allow your Royal Bibingka to cool completely in the pan. This helps it firm up and develop its signature chewy texture, making it much easier to slice neatly. Once cooled, cut into squares or diamonds and serve. It's wonderful warm or even at room temperature, especially alongside your favorite hot beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.